himself, who has said that the cabinet meeting that will be convened today, which is the 17th of April, and they will exclusively discuss the caste survey report and take a final decision on it. The chief minister, who has emphasized that the survey was only focused on social and economic factors of different sections of society, and saying that no community will face injustice because of it. So the caste survey that has now been conducted already, when it comes to questions and rejections that has now come in from different communities, as well as they do not accept the findings of the caste survey, but the findings and the report which is expected to be tabled in the cabinet amid when it comes to internal opposition that is also being cited, and several communities, especially when it comes to the dominant communities like the Vokaligas and the Lingayats, have already voiced strong objections to the survey, terming it as unscientific. Now, amid when it comes to the caste conundrum, we are told that the Karnataka cabinet will be holding a special meeting to discuss the contentious socio-economic and education survey report, popularly known as the caste survey. And over the findings, it is being said that the cabinet is considering referring the report as well, maybe for further examination to an expert committee. Now, when it comes to the chief minister, Siddaramaiah, we just heard him already. He seems to be indicating that the report will be debated when it comes to in the legislature as well. But this is also coming at a time when it comes to the dominant communities who have already voiced their objections and have rejected the findings of the caste survey, where they have demanded that the report be rejected and fresh survey be conducted. And also when it comes to objections that have now been raised and all of the voices that seems to be critical, there are several other leaders and organizations as well who are not in support of when it comes to the survey that has now been carried out, and of course when it comes to the BJP's disapproval as well, saying that the communities and the grossly misrepresented figures are now being stated in this survey report, which is to be tabled before the cabinet. Let's get in a word from Neha now. Neha, the chief minister saying that no community will face injustice, the deputy CM saying that they do not work for any one particular community only, but when it comes to the findings of this caste survey, it is already being rejected by the dominant communities.
Well, Amita, that's absolutely right. Of course, there's no denying here that there has been quite a split or a divide over here, within the Congress party as far as the caste census survey or as far as, the socio-economic and educational survey that they're referring to is concerned. We've heard from a very senior Congress leader, member of, in fact, the Lingayat Mahasabha as well, Shamnu Shivshankarappa, who's batted for, of course, his Lingayat community there, saying that if the survey is accepted, it wouldn't be right for the Lingayats and Vokaliga communities. We've in fact, of course, seen, despite, of course, these statements coming in from various leaders of various communities, batting for their respective communities, saying that the survey would do injustice to them or to their communities if accepted, the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister reassuring that, this is a survey that has been done to bring forward all the backward classes who have genuinely, of course, been deprived of the government benefits for all these years. But it is going to be a very crucial day today in the Karnataka cabinet, as they are going to be taking a call on this report.
So keep an eye out on the developments when this report is tabled before the cabinet today. Neha, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. A quick break. Times Now Live continues on the other side.